Do I got booger in my face? 2003 Chevy Tahoe. All of a sudden, got coolant coming out the fucking tailpipe. Welcome to
CJ's.
Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ.
It's Fat Cat's.
CJ's Garage.
It's Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ's Garage.
It's my channel. Who cares? Now you're like, oh, it's got a blown head gasket. Well, maybe. Could it be an intake gasket? I don't know. Could be a lot of things. So, it's been sitting here for 2 days. It is still dripping, as you can tell. Still drippity drip. Oh, did you just pour some in?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to come out quicker. So, you check the oil, and guess what's not on the oil? Water.
Nice.
Looks just fine to me. I'm trying to get the glare in it. If you could just see the glare. There's no milkiness. It is just oil. Does it smell like oil? It is. All right, so the oil seems fine. When you look down in here, does it look like there's any oil in it?
No.
No. So, let me get my COVID cough out.
Rona.
Yeah, Rona. All right, so if a blown head gasket, don't usually water or
water gets in the oil and
but it's not in the oil.
Usually it can blow just on the exhaust and it just go out the exhaust.
Exactly. So on the gasket, there's a what is it called, a wet jet on the off side where the intake is, and just because where the heads is, and then there's another hole for the jet for the water, and it could be just coming right through. All right. Well, the truck hasn't even been started. And it's already going right through the exhaust. So now what?
Go start it.
Yeah, let's go start it. You put both in?
No, just one.
Oh, okay. Here, you want to watch the exhaust? I want to watch. Okay, so white smoke is another determination, yes?
White smoke means it's going in the combustion chamber.
Right.
Which means it's on the intake.
Right. Well, let's find out.
Wow.
Oh, boy. That looks like a problem.
Wow.
So this baby's got 310,000 on it. Wow. Wait, it's coming out the fender. Wait, I'm confused by this. What? How's it coming out the fender? That don't even make any sense.
Oh.
What?
Shut it off.
You shut it off. All right, so what did you find? What are you looking at?
There's coolant lines back here that have a hole in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, why would there be coolant lines in the back of my truck?
I don't know. Go look down there and look above the exhaust. There's coolant lines, and one of them was just spewing.
Really?
Yeah.
How the fuck?
You gotta
Where?
get down where I was.
Really? There's coolant lines in the back of this truck. Well, and the only reason why the smoke was coming out because it's been literally sitting 2 days. As you can tell, it's a little cold out. So that's just condensation. It wasn't thick smoke. If it was coming out like piston rings are fucking bad, okay. But it wasn't that bad. It was just condensation. First time it started. So, all right. So what are you thinking it's going to be?
Well, it seems how this has rear heat.
Yeah, it does.
It has a rear heater core.
Yeah, it
has
does.
A front and a rear.
It should be right here on the back right of the car.
And that's where it's leaking.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, that's a lot of money saved.
It
Because,
is. Head gaskets aren't cheap.
well, it ain't.
Getting them done ain't
I priced it. It was when I think with the whole kit and the new bolts, I think it was going to cost 180, 190, which wasn't bad. That was Rock Auto, okay?
Yeah, it's not bad.
That wasn't bad, but you needed the new bolts as well. And I already had it comes with the Loctite and all that, so that'd have been okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, 310,000 I think it is on this, and we started to smell coolant, but we couldn't figure it out because obviously it was from the back of the vehicle, not the front. So, and then it just started pouring out, and we was like, why is it? So let's get to this and crimp these up and see if that works. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be easy fix. Fuck. Man, that's so much better for me. Whoo. Because I need this truck. It's my only 4x4. Fuck that Ford in the background. That Ford sucks by. All right, go ahead and start it. Oh, fuck. All right, stop it. All right, stop. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Where'd my light go? I can't see. It's so fucking dark under here.
I think the bumper.
Dude, it's pissing all over me. I can't fucking tell, dude. There's so many hoses back here. What the fuck? And it's spraying all in my fucking eyes. Oh shit. Hold on, dude. All right, I figured it out. So I pulled this hose and it came right off the plastic tee. That's it. This is what's leaking. So it broke right in there. The plastic tee is still up there. I know you can't see it because there's so much bullshit. So that's all it was. Now to fix it, I don't know. I was thinking about cutting both hoses and then circling them back. That's what I was thinking about doing. Because I can't really fix that hose because it's pretty much messed up. I don't know if I could pull the other one out as well. All right, so that one's not broke. So cutting these off, the metal piece, and just taking these two hoses and put them together, basically. Oh, man.
Oh, God, I did not mean to do that.
Mechanic life. All right, so I went to, well, let me start over. So, first of all, I took this bad boy, cut the hose tips off of it. See if I still got it in my pocket here. I cut this off. This goes to the L bracket, which broke clearly. That goes to the heater core in the back of the truck. So I cut the hoses off, and then now what I'm going to do is I bought this piece, and I'm just going to cycle the hoses. So I cut both hoses off. I'm going to put one hose, the high, the low, and that's it. And it's going to recycle through. I'm not going to show you me doing it. I hope you know what I'm talking about. So I cut both hoses off. These are the pieces. That's from the hose that goes to the L bracket. Just cut it off right here. And then I bought this part, and then I'm gonna cycle it through. I'm gonna put fluid in it and see what happens. All right, I started it up. I put the bar on, let's see what happens. Oh, I slowly walked over here because I was nervous. I did a shitty job, but it looks like it's good. So I'm gonna have to go drive it around, get the pressure built up in the radiator, and see if it doesn't blow out, because I did a horrible job. I put those two belts together, or two hoses together. All right, put more fluid in it, get the pressure built up, see what happens. All right, so I drove it around. Last time I had it in my possession, it was at 210, like 196. That's about what it should be. Yeah, I mean, it seems legit. Let's find out if it's leaking. Let's get it back home and find out. All right, shut it down. Here we go. Well, she looks dry. I don't see nothing dripping. So it looks like I got it, even though it was a shoddy job, but I got it. All right. Well, that concludes the 2003 Chevy Tahoe leaking coolant issue. Concludes it. If there's any more issues, sure, I'll post it. Until then, this is the Fat Cat, and I'm out. I'm out with this vehicle. So old, needs to be gone. She's still running though. Damn Chevy, always starts.